Hi, this is John from Chicago. Welcome to my channel. A few days ago I noticed that DJI put out a new release. It's release number 6 for their FPV system. And you need to download it on your goggles, your air units, and your radio if you have a radio. And for it to work, everything has to be the same version. What this new version does for you, it doubles the amount of data that you're able to see. It does, instead of 25 megabits per second, you're getting 50 megabits per second. The way this works is it's using 2 channels instead of 1. DJI gives you 8 channels, and with this new version, if you want to use the 50 megabits per second, you have the option of going back to 25 and getting all 8 channels. It cuts your channels in half, so instead of 8 channels, you're looking at 4 channels. This improvement helps quite a bit, I think. Everyone has a slightly different opinion. I'm showing the video on the left of the side of the video. That's the new 25 megabits per second or 50 megabits per second, and on the right it's the 25 megabits per second. The main things that I noticed was you're not getting in the focus mode part where it blurs the edges. Like on the right hand side, especially the lower portion of it, about a third of the time you're seeing some blurring. That's done on purpose to get more of your center part that you're flying with clear. When you're getting twice as much data being sent, it doesn't need to do that anymore. So it's eliminating your errors or your blurriness from the focus mode. The other things that I've noticed is when you go by close to the ground, the grass shows up better. It doesn't blur out as green. You could actually see the leaves of grass. The other thing is leaves on trees, they're a little bit clear. So my best guess is you're seeing 15 to 20% more with this new release of the software. And then your goggles are also recording with the DVR at a higher bit rate. It doubled the bit rate on that, so you're up to 40 megabits per second on the goggles. And that also helps to get a better recording. Now, toward the end of this video here, on the right, I switched over to an analog camera. It's a Runcam Nano 2, and I'm showing it as being recorded on my SkyZone 030s. And for analog, it's fairly good, but it's still nowhere near. I would say the digital, you're seeing 40% more, would be my guess. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave those below, and thanks for watching.